Ever wonder why your prints don't match your screen? It usually comes down to RGB, CMYK, and the right ICC profile. RGB colors are designed for screens. They're made from light, not ink, which is why images look brighter and more vibrant on your monitor. CMYK is what printers use. It relies on cyan, magenta, yellow, and black ink, and that's where color changes often begin during printing. When an RGB design is printed without proper conversion, colors can lose depth, shift tones, and look dull compared to the screen. An ICC profile helps fix this by telling your printer exactly how to translate screen colors for your specific ink and paper setup. With the correct ICC profile applied, prints become richer, more accurate, and far closer to what you originally designed. Design in RGB, convert correctly, and always use the right ICC profile. That's how you get consistent, professional color results every time. For more color accuracy tips and sublimation video guides, head over to Subli Genius Print and get better results with every print.